Heila approaches partnerships and all customers really in the same way. It's not transactional. We're going to be there over the long haul so that we can solve short, mid, and long-term goals with our partners. I'm Chris Creer. I lead the sales and marketing team at Heila Technologies, where I'm able to execute resiliency strategies.
Hi, my name is Jeff Masel. I'm a managing director at Lodestar Energy. Lodestar Energy is a renewable energy storage developer located in the Northeast. Over the past 10 years, Lodestar Energy has developed 150 megawatts of projects. Victory Drive was a request for proposal for a project located on Cape Cod, Massachusetts. The project is going to supply energy to 6 housing authorities. Massachusetts also has a renewable portfolio standard, which is focused on delivering net zero energy by 2050. This project moves Massachusetts along in achieving those goals.
My name is Jonathan Helmuth. I'm the Director of Sales for Yaskawa Solar, and we manufacture made in America PV inverters and energy storage solutions that are IRA bill compliant for domestic content. We started off as mainly a PV inverter manufacturer, and we quickly transitioned into the energy storage space as we really see that's where the real growth in the industry is going to come over the next century.
My name is Gwendoline Espy. I'm a product manager at Yaskawa Solar, and I product manage the XGI 1500 line and then also our energy storage solutions. Instead of our customers purchasing all these different devices or power electronics a la carte, all having their own control system, and then during the commissioning process, finding out that device A doesn't work well with device B and then having to rework a plan or procure new devices, Selectra Solar has already done that for our customers. We've tested our inverters, we've tested along with Dynapower's DPS 500 and with Heila's control system. Not only does it save our customers time and money, but also a significant amount of risk. The PVS 500 is composed of 3 XGI 1500 166 string inverters that are synchronized to work as one.
We offer both DC coupled and AC coupled energy storage solutions. They're based around a 500 kilowatt building block. And what's unique about our solution is that it's a string inverter based architecture as opposed to a central inverter based architecture for energy storage. And what that does is it gives our customers resiliency in the system by using string inverters.
The Heila platform is managing all of the assets that are a part of the DER, the Distributed Energy Resource System. This particular microgrid is set up of a system of 4 specific skids, and each of those skids are identical. There's a Heila edge that's deployed at each one of the skids. Overall, the skids combined are capable of approximately 2 megawatts of power output.
We've worked with Selectra over the past 9 years on over 20 projects. We're excited to use this battery energy storage system as a future way to transform all of our solar projects going forward.
One of the things that's said in this space is really that there's no such thing as 2 identical microgrids, and there's no such thing as seamless commissioning. And so with the deployment of this microgrid, one challenge that we ran into was utility infrastructure delays. With that, what Heila did was we worked with the stakeholders to put the system in hibernation mode so that we could safely shut down the system, charge the battery to safe levels, and plan when we would come out of that hibernation mode. We were actually the first to identify an issue with one of the batteries. It wasn't performing the way that it was supposed to, and through our fault monitoring, found this issue. We were then able to continue communicating with the asset and gather the required data that we could then pass on to the manufacturer so that we could work on the plan to get the battery cell replaced. Selectra and specifically Lodestar were able to have peace of mind because of the proactive nature of Heila in identifying what was going on with those assets.
Heila's experience in microgrids and energy storage controls was a natural fit for us, as well as being able to scale from a single unit into multiple megawatts.
One of the great things about working with Heila is that they're technology agnostic, meaning they work well with our inverters, they work well with Dynapower units, and they also work really well with various battery vendors.
for us, it becomes plug and play. So for a user, that really is powerful because they can build a system today that they know will take them into the future because of the scalability. There's a million things that will change over the next 5 to 10 years, from legislation to manufacturing costs coming down as technology curves increase, and then just more and more implementation of artificial intelligence and machine learning. And so they can continue to change and adapt to the market as it evolves.
The Heila Edge is a groundbreaking technology, second to none in our industry. We plan to use it going forward on all of our projects.